Hello po sa inyong lahat. My name is Binsoy from Tambay Academy. And in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano bumili or paano magkaroon ng sarili nyong mga domain in less than 100 pesos. Okay, so kung gusto magkaroon ng sarili nyong website or sarili nyong blog, this video will help you. Okay, now first thing that you need to do is you need to go to www.godaddy.com. Okay? Ang godaddy.com ay isa pong registrar, domain registrar. Okay? So, sila po yung avenue natin kung saan tayo makakabili ng mga domain or ng mga website address. Okay? So, godaddy.com is an example of a website address. Okay? So, dito tayo bibili sa kanila. So, kung tinatanong nyo kung bakit GoDaddy yung gamit natin, I've been using GoDaddy.com since I started internet marketing. So, that was way back in 2006. Okay, GoDaddy.com is one of the leading domain registrars in the world. Okay, and a lot of the internet marketers are using GoDaddy.com as their registrar. Alright, and pangalawa, dito sa GoDaddy, ang daming mga promo codes na pwede natin gamitin. Kaya nga, ito yung dahilan kung bakit nakakabili tayo ng domain for less than 100 pesos. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for example, bibili ako ng domain. Ang pangalan ay, okay, pangalan ko na lang. So, hopefully, hindi pa siya taken. Alright, so type mo lang yung domain na gusto mong bilhin. Okay, so sinasabi dito na ang domain na arvinjbasilio.com is available. Okay, so kung nakita mo dyan, ang halaga ng isang domain, yung regular price niya ay 499 pesos and 99 cents. Okay, so all you need to do, kung available yung domain na gusto nyo, is click on continue to check out. Alright, so lalagay dyan, one domain added. Tapos, just click no here kasi may mga upsell silang ibibigay sa'yo, i-offer sa'yo. So, just click on no, thanks. Okay, ito na yung next page ng order mo. Alright. So, next thing that you need to do is, yung term niya, kung kaya niya namang maging 2 years, that's fine. Pero just choose 1 year. Okay, so magiging 508 pesos and 0.06 cents na lang siya. And may kasama siyang ICANN fees na 8 pesos and 7 cents. Okay, so, next thing you need to do is scroll down. Tapos, i-click mo tong have a promo code. Alright. Tapos, ilagay mo yung promo code na Sigler199. Okay. Check natin kung nagwo-work pa ba yung code na to. Okay. So, nakalagay dito na promo code Sigler199 was successfully applied. So, nakikita nyo, yung cost ng domain na arvinjbasilio.com ay naging 94 pesos and 22 cents na lang. Alright. Tapos, next thing you need to do is click on proceed to checkout. Alright, by the way, kung existing customer na kayo ng GoDaddy, you can just click on this button here. Okay? Mag-sign in ka na lang. Or if you're a new customer, you need to click on the continue button. Alright? Now, bago nyo pala magamit to, you need to have a debit card. So, kung wala pa kayong debit card, you better get one. Kasi, they don't accept PayPal sa ganitong promo code, yung Sigler199. Alright, yung mga debit cards, for example, Union Bank Ion Card, yung sa BPI, yung My Prepaid, My e-prepaid card, at saka yung Smart Money. Okay, yung Smart Money naman, yun yung pinaka-recommended namin kasi it only costs around 120 pesos to get one, but you need to have a smart SIM kasi dun mo ililink yung Smart Money card mo. Alright. And just in case na hindi na gumagana yung Sigler 199 na code, you can just go to google.com. Alright, just type in GoDaddy promo codes, yung month and yung year. Okay, yung kung ano yung current month at ano yung current year. Okay, so most likely lalabas dyan yung mga working promo codes for that particular month. So this recording was made in November of 2013. So yun nakalagay. Yan, Sigler 199 November codes. Okay, so it turned out na gumana siya. So we can use this one. Okay, so I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to. So I'll see you guys on my next videos. Okay, thank you very much and God bless you.